guys, we're back with another one. Sorry I haven't been posted anything lately. I did get hit with COVID. Had to recuperate from all that. Had to push back a lot of work that I had just because of the freaking COVID. But we're back. We got a sunroof install we're gonna be doing. We got more panoramics. Like I said, out of towners, Louisiana, at Espanola. We got a lot coming, guys. Like I said, I gotta get back to my rhythm. Like I said, COVID kind of messed me up with all my scheduling and all that. We do need to get back on Jesus's truck. It's almost done. We got everything welded in, start the wiring process, and then once I get it operatable, then we bring in the homie Jesse. He's gonna be hooking up the fuel cell for it. But like I said, guys, we're back on track. It is cold. We did get a snowstorm, but that ain't gonna let us stop us. We got our heater going. We got a Silverado Silverado single cab here from Las Lunas. We're gonna be doing a sunroof on, so stay tuned. We got a Chevy Tahoe, the back Chevy Tahoe for the homie Gancito. He's gonna be stopping by also. We're gonna be hooking up some rocker lights to his Tahoe, all white. So that's gonna look badass at night when he's cruising it all lifted. So here we go, guys. Stay tuned. We got a lot more coming, and let's get it. All right, guys, we got the truck in. This is a badass Silverado. I like the color. I've never seen that color before. Nice. Like I said, we're gonna be doing a sunroof install. Get rid of all that, black it out with black suede, paint the plastics, take the center console out, we'll paint the sun visors, make it look badass. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the sunroof installed. We're just wiring it up now. There she is. Quick, easy install. And go ahead and wire it up, put a fuse on it, then power it up, open the glass, put some grease on the tracks, then we'll start the headliner and we should be almost wrapped up. I do have the homies Tahoe we're going to be working on next once we get done with this one. Get this one out the way, pull it out. I am going to wash it for him. It is pretty filthy, so I am going to wash it. You know, some things I do sometimes depending on how it comes in, but this one's real dirty, so I'm going to wash it, throw some foam on it, wash it down, clean it up for the customer, and then let them pick it up. And I'll pull this one in and start this. We're going to be doing rock lights on the Tahoe. We're going 8 rock lights all around on the undercarriage, and then go from there. Alright guys, we got it all powered up, fused up, looking badass. We're going to go ahead and start on the headliner now. We are going to reinforce the center part because it does have for the little top console. We're going to delete that, but it's going to have the hole, so we're going to reinforce that in, so when you do install the headliner, the fabric's not just you know, without no backing. You can actually touch it and move it. It's going to have a backing, so when you do touch it, it's going to be solid. All right, that's what we're looking at right now. We're almost done with the install.